So for this circle, with centre 0, 0 and radius equaling 3, we have the equation x squared plus y squared equals 3 squared, or 9. We can adjust that equation so that we get y as the subject. So the first thing we could do is to take away x squared from both sides. And that will leave me with y squared on the left-hand side and 3 squared minus x squared on the right-hand side. And if we're moving towards getting y equals, we have to take the square root, or we have to take plus or minus the square root. Now, this is a circle, but it illustrates an important point about the formula for a circle, especially when we start to think of semicircles. For a semicircle is the top half, or one half of the circle. So for the top half of this circle, we have y equals the positive value. So it's plus square root, and so on. For the bottom half of the semicircle, we have the negative values, which gives us y equals negative square root of 3 squared minus x squared. So let's have a look at that. So the positive half of the semicircle is that part, and its formula is that y equals the square root of 3 squared minus x squared. For the bottom part of the semicircle, we have a very similar formula, except this time it's y equals the negative square root of 3 squared minus x squared. So to get the equation of a semicircle, we need to change the circle's formula to y equals, and then it's either a positive square root for the top half or a negative square root for the bottom half. We can see that that continues to work even as we change the radius. Now, even if this circle is moved elsewhere, so the center is not 0, 0, the same still applies. It's the positive square root that gives you the top half of the semicircle, the negative square root that gives you the bottom half of the semicircle. Even if the circle is down here, it still cuts it into half.